ZV512s, 3 MD12Ks on 600 amp hour of LEV50 cells with 2 Brand X 320s under the hood, charging at 15.8.
Shop everything audio at 12 volt beyond, link in the description, and use discount code JacobViral to save. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Yeah, you got a line.
Oh, alright, next.
Bye.
Oh man, that's nice. Oh, hey, Jacob.
How you doing? Sorry.
Yeah, he's wired at 0.67 on each end.
I don't know how is your rise? Do y'all know your rise?
We're probably rising about 2 maybe,
Okay.
2 maybe 3.
So you might be getting around 1.5, 1.6 per amp?
Probably. We're at 0.67 right now.
Okay, so what is flashing?
Those are LED50s.
Wow.
What's going on?
Is that loud?
You don't like that. Hey, whose is this? All right, so this is Michael Heineke's build. All right, I'm Mitchell Stockel. I helped him build it. It's got 9 ZV512s, 3 MD12Ks on 600 amp hour of LEV50 cells with 2 Brand X 320s under the hood, charging at 15.8.
What does it meter and what are you tuned to?
So tuned to 34 hertz. It'll do a 64.89 at 39 hertz, and it does 62 plus on music. All steel roof, all steel bracing in the box,
Yep.
everything.
Wow. Nice work. Looks
Thanks,
good.
man. All right. appreciate the demo.
I didn't know you were in there. I didn't recorded. My bad.
That's all good, man. Yeah, man, thanks for the demo. That was fun. Whew.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.